Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Acura TSX headlight is probably one of the most important safety features of your vehicle, ensuring clear visibility at night and enhancing your driving experience. Proper headlight maintenance is crucial for safe driving, and this video will guide you through everything you need to know about maintaining, troubleshooting, and replacing your 2009 Acura TSX headlights, from identifying common issues to performing DIY repairs or professional servicing. Number 5. AKKON Acura TSX HIT Headlights. Upgrade your Acura TSX with these high-quality AKKON headlights. They offer a superior look and improved visibility. These headlights are specifically designed for the 2009 to 2014 Acura TSX sedan. Ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. This set includes both the driver side and passenger side headlights, providing a complete upgrade for your vehicle. While installation instructions aren't included, professional installation is recommended for optimal results. Bulbs are not included. These headlights meet DOT and SAE safety standards, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. They're covered by a 90-day limited warranty. Enjoy a 90-day limited warranty from the date of delivery. This protects your investment. What we like. They are of high quality and meet all safety standards. With a 90-day warranty, it's a safe bet. If you value quality and peace of mind, this is the option for you. What people say. Happy with fit and finish. Quality part. Awesome, fits perfectly and they look great on my vehicle. I am extremely impressed. Number 4. ACANII Acura TSX LED Headlights. Upgrade your Acura TSX with these sleek, modern LED headlights. They offer superior illumination and a stylish look. These headlights provide full illumination, maximizing your safety on the road. Enjoy enhanced visibility day and night. The black housing and clear lenses give your Acura TSX an aggressive, updated look. They're a perfect upgrade for any driver. While installation instructions aren't included, they are designed for easy replacement of your stock assembly. Professional installation is recommended. These headlights meet all US and Canadian regulations, ensuring your safety and compliance with the law. They are DOT and SAE stamped for your peace of mind. We're confident you'll love your new headlights. If not, we offer a 30-day return policy for your convenience. The package includes driver and passenger side headlights. Only the lens and housing are included. You will reuse your existing components. What we like. These headlights feature stylish LED daytime running lights for enhanced visibility. The 30-day return policy gives you extra confidence in your purchase. If you want a modern look and a safety net, consider these. What people say. These replacement lights look amazing and were relatively easy to install. They are of good quality, clear and bright. The headlight are well worth it, but there was no instructions on wiring the LED strip, but then that it showed you how to swap the HIDs. I ended up wiring the LED strips to the turn signal bulb so they stay on during the day and night. Other than that, the headlights look awesome. Easy to install. If you know what you are doing, just watch a YouTube video and you are golden. They look awesome. Number 3. AKKON Acura TSX LED Headlights. Upgrade your Acura TSX with these sleek, stylish LED headlights. They're a perfect blend of performance and modern design. These headlights are specifically engineered to fit your 2009 to 2014 Acura TSX, ensuring a seamless and precise installation. Each set is brand new, comes in custom packaging, and has never been installed before. You'll receive both the driver and passenger side lights. These headlights meet DOT and SAE safety standards, giving you peace of mind. They're built to last and enhance your driving experience. While it's designed for easy installation, professional fitting is recommended for optimal results. Enjoy the upgrade. These headlights feature integrated LED daytime running lights for increased visibility and safety during the day. They are designed to work with your factory HID headlights, ensuring a smooth transition and optimal light output. What we like. It's brand new and comes with LED daytime running lights. Plus, it meets all the necessary safety standards. If you prioritize a fresh, modern look and safety, this is a great choice. What people say. They look great, though, and I've had zero issues with leaking. Good fit. Not leaking. A good quality material and everything lines up well. LED strips very bright. Really good product. Number 2. AmeriLite Acura TSX LED Headlights. Upgrade your Acura TSX look and visibility with these premium LED headlights. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights, offering a seamless and easy installation. These headlights are specifically designed for 2009 to 2014 Acura TSX models with HID systems. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Drive with confidence knowing that they meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations. These headlights are street legal and safe for use. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. It's a direct OEM replacement, so no modifications are needed. This set includes both driver and passenger side headlights, providing a complete upgrade for your vehicle. Everything you need is in one box. We stand behind our product. They come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. These headlights offer a distinctive look with LED halo rings. They're also easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you want a stylish upgrade with a hassle-free installation, this is perfect for you. What people say. These headlights came out looking awesome. The mechanic knew what he was doing when he installed these lights. Number 1. Acura TSX Headlight Assembly. Upgrade your Acura TSX look and performance with this replacement headlight assembly. It's designed for a perfect fit and improved visibility. This assembly is specifically designed for 2009 to 2014 Acura TSX models with factory HID headlights. Ensure a seamless and hassle-free installation. They meet SAE and DOT standards and are fully sealed to protect against moisture and corrosion. Drive with confidence in any weather. These headlights are built with durable polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact shell, providing excellent protection from road debris and impacts. The metal parabolic reflectors deliver brighter, smoother beams, while side reflectors enhance visibility to other drivers. Experience improved safety and visibility. It's a direct replacement, offering a plug-and-play installation. However, professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. These are built to withstand harsh conditions, offering superior protection against the elements and impacts. They also provide brighter lighting for improved visibility. If you need durability and enhanced safety in challenging environments, choose these. What people say. Headlights were perfect fit. The quality looks great. I have installed them on my 2009 Acura TSX and have had them on for about a month or longer. They are literally great. I like that I can adjust them up or down and they don't jump off of the adjust screw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.